join, then we'll begin with the class. What are we supposed to do today? We'll complete the chapter
Ma'am,
8 today.
HTML.
Okay, 8th chapter we'll try to complete today. What exactly we were doing in the previous class?
Ma'am, we have done five, two, three tags
We have
Which
done
were
the
those tags?
like
marquee tag.
strike tag, and the
List
TH
how
and
Marquee
TR.
tag.
TH and table tag we have done.
Yes.
No, ma'am, table tag. No.
TH and TR are table tags only.
Sorry, ma'am. I
Okay,
learned from my sister, so that's it.
okay. Um, have you done that? हमने list tags किए थे OL tag.
Ma'am, a little bit, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
I think we have completed the OL tag with the five option to it, that is uh, type and start. Both the attributes were done previously,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. So today, before moving to the next, that is your ninth chapter, we'll just have a look on your eighth chapter, that is more on CSS3, and we'll try to finish it off today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Only 23 girls are there, but I think we shall not be waiting for those are not joining. And please keep a check how many girls are joining. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your two names are coming here.
Whose?
Ma'am, your
Ma'am, every
It's okay.
time there are two.
It's okay. Take out your page number 107. Okay. Now this program is written there. Can you see?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now in this program, HTML head title inline method, that means we have given the title inline method to it. In the body section, the text which we wanted to display was we are using inline style here. HR style, we have defined the style here for HR. HR is horizontal line. HR style is width 50%, background color green, height 10, and then a simple HR tag without style rule. HR is given just a HR. The declaration has to be repeated again to apply the effect on HR tag. That means if you want your HR tag to have the same effect, we have to apply and we have to declare the style again. And you can see HR style width 50, background color green, height 10 is again repeated. Now what will be the outcome of it? We'll just see, okay, how the result is shown here. Now you can see this HR tag where we have defined HR width 50%, background color green, and height 10. This is the one. After that, again we have written HR. This is the HR tag because we have not declared anything here. So this line has been drawn. After again we have declared it. So you can see the change. Understood, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this
Yes, ma'am.
line is, I don't understand how this came. line.
HR, we have used the HR tag. HR is horizontal line. When we want to draw, we give HR tag.
Okay, ma'am. If we want to, okay, ma'am. I've got.
Got it? No. अगर हमने HR tag की width change कर दी, that is 50%. कलर हमने चेंज कर दिया, डिक्लेयर किया, ठीक है, HR का. उसके बाद हमने उसकी हाइट 10 कर दी, तो उसका ये रिजल्ट आया. You can see the height, you can see the width. Width 50% is the 50% of your screen. अगर तुम्हारी स्क्रीन 100% लेके चले तो हाफ ऑफ द स्क्रीन पे तुम्हें सेंटर में दिख रहा है HR लाइन.
Mama, if we want that this line should come at the starting, then what we'll do?
स्टार्टिंग यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, at the top. Yes, ma'am. Above the line that we have written, we are using inline style here. Above that.
So you have to place your tag above that.
Ma'am,
बॉडी
near
स्टार्ट
the body. Okay, ma'am.
जस्ट बॉडी के बाद दे दो. ये तो तुम्हें डिसाइड करना है वेयर यू वांट टू गिव दिस लाइन.
Okay, ma'am.
अगर तुम्हें बिफोर द टेक्स्ट इफ यू वांट टू गिव, then before the text you have to declare the tag. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here also you can see H1 style text align center text. This you have already done, but here the styling is given. H1 align center you all have done, right? But when we are declaring the style, text align center text, declaration, decoration, underline, color blue. So you will find underline, it is underlined with the color blue. Tool 16, H1, P style, text decoration, overline. This is the overline, text align, center, color red, Gibbs Publishing Soft. So you have to declare the decoration also, you have to declare. So these are the styles which you can insert. In HTML, we do not have style, but in HTML5, we certainly do have. Now in the text decoration, it specifies whether you want to have the underline, and if you want to have the underline color should be what. So everything will be declared here. Color red, underline is also there, and H1 style. It can be H2, it can be H3. ये तुम्हारी choice पे depend करता है which heading style you are choosing and what are the decorations you are using for your text. Now
Ma'am, how these arrows are drawn here?
arrows are not there. They are just showing, because it's a video, they are just showing it will be like this. These arrows are not there.
Okay, ma'am.
See, it's just declaring, it's just to show you this is the outcome. Now, capitalize will capitalize the first letter of each word. If you have done this in Word, no? तुम्हारे पास 5 options होती हैं. Capitalize upper case, lower case, capitalize each word, each letter of first word. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be done here. Now, for this particular thing, I'll just close here, stop sharing. My 2 names are coming, and that is troubling you. Are there still 2?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Now there is one.
Okay, fine. So now, what you are supposed to do, listen carefully.
Excuse me,
I'll be,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, like Python is a language, so ma'am, more on CCA 3 is a what it is. It is also a language.
HTML कितनी देर से मैं तुम्हें बोल रही हूँ बेटा, कोडिंग लैंग्वेज है.
Okay, ma'am.
CSS3 is an additional information or additional thing for your HTML5. These are cascading style sheets जो हम HTML5 के साथ merge करते हैं to beautify or to format our web page in a better way. Got it now?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll be sharing the video of these chapters, this 8th chapter to you today. Okay. More or less now you know how to use the tag. More or less
Yes,
you know
ma'am.
how to write the things in a tag,
Yes,
which you will
ma'am.
be able to understand when you watch the video. Now we'll just continue for 4 to 5 minutes the listing tag. We have already done the numbered bullet. Today we will be doing the symbolic bullets, how to use those. Let me start sharing my screen again. Screen is available.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, we have done the OL tag here, right? Now I'll just, rather than OL tag, इसको थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते हैं यहीं पे UL tag टाइप कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे फिलहाल हम, और इसको डिलीट कर दिया, ठीक है, और इसको भी हम UL कर देते हैं। फाइल, सेव, क्लोज, open with Internet Explorer. Now you can see एक circular disk filled वाली आ रही है. Can you see, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So these are the bulleted list. इसमें सीक्वेंस नहीं होता, माउस पहले भी आ सकता है, स्कैनर पहले आ सकता है, कीबोर्ड बाद में आ सकता है. देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस अबाउट इट. ओके, so when we don't need anything in sequence, bullets can be used. Now we'll use the attribute for UL tag, that is type. Type में हम लिखेंगे square. It is having just 3 values. Save, open with. Now you can see it has changed into square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll change it again. Square की जगह हम इसको circle कर देते हैं. चलो. Save, close, open with Internet Explorer. Now this is hollow circles, you can see, hollow disk. Can you see, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At least try, learn to respond, please, everyone. Now if I, the third
Ma'am,
value, yes,
what is the default selection of UL tag?
okay. जब मैंने कुछ भी नहीं डाला था तो क्या आया था बच्चे? Filled
मैंने
circles.
फील्ड वेरीफाई.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
that I have not seen.
Hmm. This is the by default value filled circle, which is called as disk. जो hollow disk है, that is circle, and then squares are filled ones. So 3 values are there. By default is disk. Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so we'll close it here. उसके बाद जो नॉर्मल एटलीस्ट तुम्हें HTML में टैग्स कैसे यूज होते हैं वो आना चाहिए. फिर कैस्केडिंग स्टाइल शीट्स तुम कर सकते हो. लिस्ट हो गया. देन वी हैव tables. Table tags, I'll just explain to you. Tables can be used using table tag. उसके बाद यहाँ पे टेबल टैग में आप करोगे TH input device okay, and we'll just copy this and we'll write there output. लेट्स सी इसका कुछ आया है रिजल्ट हमारे पास कि नहीं. ठीक है. Nothing is there, right? We'll just
At
see.
the
Yes,
end,
ma'am.
Okay.
at the end there is input device, output device.
Okay. At the end, there is input device and output device, right? But it should not come there. We'll just have it here again. We'll close it here. Sorry. Save. Now let's see again. Open with. Now it is at the top because earlier I have not closed the table tag, and after closing the table tag you'll find the position is changed, right? Now input device and output device, these are the two values I have inserted using th. Now what is the difference between th and td? We'll just see. Just 1 minute. We'll just insert a tr tag here and we'll close. Then we'll have here again and we'll start with td. Keyboard, another is, first is input, sorry, nobody is telling me the keyboard spelling is incorrect. Copy, paste, and we'll write here monitor. Let me see, we'll save this, close this, open with Internet Explorer. What is the difference you are finding here now?
Ma'am, it is with space.
Hmm.
Ma'am, there the text is bold and here is simple.
Why? Any guesses? Any guesses? Come on, girls. Come on, hurry up.
Ma'am, because is the data and the input device or output device is that the main topic.
Now, basically, the input device and output device are the heading. TH is table heading and TD is table data. TR is table row. So you must understand when we are using TR, if we are using TR, it is table row. When we are using TH, it is table heading. And when we are using TD, it is table data. Now, if I want to make a change in my table, I simply can go like this. And let me just
Excuse
copy
me,
it.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, you have started the TR tag and where you have closed it.
I have not closed it because when I'll start the new TR, it automatically get closed.
Okay,
It is
ma'am.
optional. If you want to close it, you can close it, and if you don't want to close, you don't close it. Okay. Now let me write here S N O, right? And here we will write down in table data, copy and paste, enter. Here I will write down 1. Okay. Now we'll save it and see what happens. Open with. Now, can you see the change? One more column is added. कॉलम हम इसमें कैसे ऐड करते हैं? बाय इंक्रीजिंग द TD और TH. जब आप टेबल हेडिंग इंक्रीज करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली, इसमें सिर्फ हम रो को डिफाइन करते हैं, जो हम TD और TH देते हैं दैट डिफाइंस द कॉलम फॉर अस. अंडरस्टूड गर्ल्स?
यस मैम.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
अगर हम इसी टेबल को नीचे लाना चाहते हैं सबसे लास्ट में, तो कैसे करेंगे?
अगर आप लास्ट में लाना चाहते हैं इसको, तो इसको हम यहां से कट करेंगे. ओके, कट कर दिया और ये हम यहाँ पे ले आए इसको और सेव कर दिया.
मैम अगर हम इसके बाद यहाँ पे अब एक और लाइन ऐड करेंगे और लिखेंगे थैंक्स लास्ट
कहाँ
में
पे?
सबसे,
क्यों
अगर हम
थैंक्स
इसके
क्यों
बाद
लिखेंगे?
अगर ऐड कर दें ऐसे ही, तो
कहाँ पे? टेबल के बीच में या टेबल के बिना?
मैम टेबल के लास्ट में, टेबल के भी एंड में, बॉडी से ऊपर बस, कि
हाँ
सबसे
तो वो,
लास्ट में आना चाहिए
हाँ
थैंक्स.
हाँ तो वो तुम लिख सकते हो ना, थैंक्स. अब डिपेंड करता है H1 लिखना है या नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट लिखना है, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू.
मैम नॉर्मल नॉर्मल सिंपल बस.
इतना तो अब तुम्हें आ जाना चाहिए यार. अब इतनी 3-4 क्लासेस होंगी तुम्हारी इसकी. ये लो.
मैम लेकिन मैंने जो बनाया था ना, उसमें
हम्म,
टेबल के बाद मैंने सबसे लास्ट में थैंक्स ऐड करने की ट्राई किया था, मगर वो
हम्म.
हो ही नहीं रहा था, वो इस टेबल के ऊपर ड्रॉ हो रहा था यहाँ पे,
तुमने
बिल्कुल जहाँ पे लाइन लिखी है.
तुमने टेबल के ऊपर लिखा होगा फिर.
नो मैम, लिखा सबसे लास्ट में है मैंने.
तुम अपनी फाइल शेयर करो मेरे साथ,
ओके मैम.
ठीक है? और यू
मैम
सेंड इट ओवर माय ईमेल, ठीक
मैम
है?
प्लीज टेल मी योर ईमेल.
priyal1703@rediffmail.com. All the letters are capital.
03 @rediff. ओके मैम.
ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
Okay.
थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome. Okay. Now anybody else any question?
No, ma'am.
सबको समझ में आ गया? मेरी क्लास वैसे बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, ना? मेरी क्लास वैसे बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, मुझे कुछ समझाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. ओके. अगर हम इसमें ट्राई मारते, टेबल का नीचे चला गया अब. अच्छा, टेबल में अगर हम बॉर्डर दे दें इज इक्वल टू 3, लेट्स सी इससे कुछ होता है कि नहीं. Can you see something?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am, it is in columns.
It
The
is in,
borders are made around it.
वो पहले भी कॉलम्स में था, सिर्फ हमने इसका बॉर्डर डिफाइन नहीं किया था. अब हमने इसका बॉर्डर डिफाइन कर दिया है, ठीक है? सो बॉर्डर का एक टेबल का एट्रीब्यूट है बॉर्डर. विल क्लोज दिस, विल ओपन दिस. दूसरा एट्रीब्यूट टेबल का है कलर, विड्थ, बॉर्डर, कलर. बॉर्डर कलर इज इक्वल टू, कौन सा आएगा इस पे? सियान पे.
You have written wrong spellings of border.
अब ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा कलर? लेट्स सी ब्लैक. Can you see the color is changed?
Yes, ma'am.
So there
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there are possibilities of using the what?
The color to change the color
Of the
and the border.
border. Very good. So, shall I stop it here now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll share the thing with you. I'll take some time with you today.
Okay.
Let's try to solve the fill-ups. That sets the horizontal alignment of the text inside the block. Come on. Arya, what shall be the answer, girls? Are you there in the class? All of you? Take up the page number 131.
Ma'am, text line.
Text aligned. Okay. Write down. Written, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next is dash property is used to specify the special space between the two lines.
Ma'am, the answer is line height.
Line height.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down line height there. Written, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The third one is dash displays the chosen text either in normal, italic, or oblique.
Ma'am, the answer is font style.
Font style.
Font
Write
style.
down. Write down font style.
Yes, ma'am. Style.
Dash property is used to convert the text into uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized
Text
Ma'am,
transform.
text transform.
text transform. Okay. In dash method, style declaration is given with each individual element with the help of style attribute.
Ma'am, the answer is inline.
Inline. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down inline here. Now the last one is left, that is the margin is the distance
Yes, ma'am.
from each side to the sides of the neighboring element of the document. Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now straight true or false, generic family names should always be written in quotation mark. Write down true here. Font size sets the size of the text. True.
Ma'am, true.
Word break property specifies space between two words. False.
Font.
False.
Read out the next one.
It is not possible to specify.
It is not possible to specify margins individually for each side. This is false. It is possible. The default value of border size is reg. False. Write down. False. CSS provides formatting options to style the text of a web page. This is true.
True.
Done, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have application-based questions. Right? Now, can anybody read the Can anyone read?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it out.
Okay, ma'am. Which one of the following is not a
No,
value
no, no,
of
no. Not this. Not this. Application-based question.
Shruti has displayed the entire text of her document in uppercase. Name the property she has used to achieve the same.
Write down text transform. Text hyphen transform. Okay. Done, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the second is Rimi wants to apply shadow effect to the heading of her web page. Which property should she use to accomplish the same? Write down text hyphen shadow property. Text hyphen shadow property. Text hyphen shadow property. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you have done? Anyone
Yes.
who has not done?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat the first one.
Text transform. Text hyphen transform.
Thank
Now,
you, ma'am.
third is Rajat wants to assign green color to a paragraph. Write the code that will help him to accomplish in completing the task. Write down color, colon, colon होता है ऊपर और नीचे हम डॉट डालते हैं उसको colon कहते हैं. Color, colon, green.
Green.
Green. Color, colon, green. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now multiple choice questions. Which of the following is not a value of font size?
Ma'am,
Excess
3x.
3x. Write down the answer 3x. Identify the correct code.
Ma'am, border. Ma'am, C part border hyphen style colon inset.
Yes, C part border hyphen style colon inset. Now the fourth one, choose the property that enables, third one, choose the property that enables you to specify the space between the lines of text.
Ma'am, answer is C, line height.
Line height, very good. Next is which property allows you to apply decoration to the text in a block?
Ma'am, answer is text decoration.
Text
All the
decoration.
C parts, all the C parts. Done, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Which property has overline as one of the possible values?
Ma'am, A, textile.
No. Text decoration. थोड़ी देर पहले किया था बच्चे ये. Dash is the family of fonts which has finished strokes or pointing ends.
Ma'am, serif.
Serif. Dash property specify line breaking rule.
Ma'am, word break.
Word break. Write down word break. If the font size is not specified, the default size of the normal text would
16
be
px.
16
16
px.
px.
Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are left with, I think, question answers.
Yes, ma'am.
These question answers I'll be posting on the
Google Classroom.
Google
very good, very good. What was the total strength of girls today?
I'm 24.
Ma'am, 24.
24. Okay, fine. One by one, you. If
Excuse
you
me,
want
ma'am.
to ask, yes.
मैम नाउ आई हैव कटेड द मैंने वो लाइन काट ही दी थैंक्स वाली पर अभी भी वो शो होते जा रहा है.
मैंने तुम्हें बोला you share the file with me. Until
Okay,
unless
ma'am.
I have a file, I won't be able to rectify your error.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So one by one, if anybody wants to ask anything, you be there. Otherwise, leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Take care.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Wish you the same.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.